What if I told you that you don't need a website, you don't need thousands of followers, and you don't even need to create your own product to make money online in 2026? I recently discovered a strategy that combines Pinterest with Amazon in a way that most beginners completely overlook. This isn't a magic button that prints money. It still takes work. But if you follow this system consistently, you can build an affiliate business that keeps bringing traffic for months. In this video, I'll show you exactly how the strategy works, step by step. Welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in AI, affiliate marketing, and building online income, make sure you subscribe because I upload videos every week about the newest online business opportunities. Now let's get into the strategy. Section 1: Why Pinterest Still Works in 2026. Most people think Pinterest is just another social media app. It's not. Pinterest is actually a visual search engine. People visit Pinterest looking for ideas, products, home decor, fashion, recipes, tech gadgets, fitness equipment, and much more. That means many users already have buying intent. Unlike Instagram or TikTok posts that disappear quickly, Pinterest pins can continue sending traffic for months or even years. Section 2: Why Amazon makes this powerful. Amazon is one of the biggest online marketplaces in the world. People already trust Amazon. That trust often leads to higher conversion rates than sending traffic to an unfamiliar store. Instead of convincing someone to trust a new website, you're introducing them to products they're already comfortable buying. Section 3: Pick a profitable niche. Don't promote random products. Focus on one niche. Some examples include home organization, kitchen gadgets, pet accessories, fitness gear, office setup, gaming accessories, travel essentials, baby products. The more focused your niche is, the easier it becomes to grow a targeted Pinterest account. Section 4: Find products people actually want. Before creating pins, research products carefully. Look for products that have strong customer ratings, plenty of reviews, attractive images, consistent demand, a price point that makes sense for your audience. Avoid choosing products just because they're expensive. Products people genuinely want are often better long-term. Section 5: Create Pinterest pins that get clicks. Pinterest is visual. Your pin has only a few seconds to grab attention. Use bright colors, large readable text, clear product photos, clean layouts, curiosity-driven headlines. Examples: 10 kitchen gadgets that save hours. Best travel essentials for 2026. Amazon finds you didn't know you needed. Create multiple pins for the same product or article using different designs and titles. Section 6: Use AI to work faster. Instead of spending hours creating content manually, AI tools can help you. Generate pin titles. Write descriptions. Brainstorm keywords. Create content ideas. Plan publishing schedules. Always review and personalize AI-generated content so it stays useful and authentic. Section 7: Post consistently. This is where most people fail. They upload 5 pins. Wait 3 days. See no results. Then quit. Pinterest rewards consistency. Publishing quality pins regularly gives your content more opportunities to appear in search and recommendations. Section 8: Track what performs best. Don't guess. Look at your analytics. Pay attention to impressions, saves, outbound clicks, top performing pins, popular topics. Create more content similar to your winners and improve or replace pins that aren't getting traction. Section 9: Mistakes beginners make. Avoid these common mistakes. Crossmark posting blurry pins. Crossmark choosing random products. Crossmark ignoring Pinterest SEO. Crossmark giving up too early. Crossmark copying other creators. Crossmark expecting instant results. Affiliate marketing works best when you build a library of helpful content over time. Section 10: The Secret. So what's the secret? It's not one hidden trick. The real advantage comes from combining 3 things. Choosing products people already want. Creating helpful, searchable Pinterest content around those products. Publishing consistently and improving based on analytics. That's the system many successful creators follow. If you learned something new today, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on AI tools, affiliate marketing, Pinterest strategies, and making money online in 2026. Also let me know in the comments. Which niche would you start with first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.